so right. If I need more than your eye, I guess you're right. If I wake up in your mind, I guess you're right. Can I crawl around your bones and make my home? Would that be right? If I never